It takes one ball to play basketball. It takes 2 balls to box. So he's going to box.
Bro, we're doing a minute, right?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
2 minutes.
Come on. All right, go as long as you can. As long as you can.
Look what you did.
Bro, he don't want to go 2 minutes.
That's the rule.
That shit's way too long.
Bro, you see how fat I am. You see how big you are. You don't complain about more time.
1 minute? Oh, yo,
Hey, 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes. Ready?
Fight.
Go ahead, fight.
Come on. Come on now.
See, that's why I said 2 minutes. Wait, oh, Steve. Keep the head up. Keep the head up. Keep the head up. Hands up. Hands up.
Let me see something.
How much long? Minute 20. Minute 20. Okay. At a minute, call it. Just say a minute.
Eat that. Eat that. Eat that.
Keep your head up. Keep your head up.
Come on, Andy. Get up. Showtime. Wait.
Move around. Move around.
Ooh. Good weave.
Come on.
Yeah, Andy, come on. Come on, Andy. Body. Come on, Andy. Get out of here. Start throwing something, Andy. Let's go one.
10. 5. Yo, keep your head up. 2. 1.
Time!
Guys ready?
Hit me as hard as you want to get hit.
All right. Fight.
Oh, damn.
How you know?
Damn. Oh,
Damn!
he's in his bag. He's in his bag.
Yeah, John.
Talk to him nice.
Oh, yeah, John? Jab, dip.
Hold on, my shoes. Hold on. Oh, yeah.
Uppercuts? No uppercuts. No uppercuts.
1 minute.
Oh, shit. Got that little quarter, John.
Yo, pull your pants up.
Body shot.
I was overcoming.
Good body shot. Oh. Oh my God. He tripped.
You sure?
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys.
Got up and knocked him out.
Time. Time. All right, shut the fuck up.
That was a good.
Good shit.
Do I set a timer?
I guess 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Oh, sorry.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Ooh.
That was a good slip.
And it left. One.
Call.
You're good.
Round 1.
Can y'all go another round? No.
Yeah, it's
Get some of that
Yeah, the
face.
ground fucking sucks.
It's a good fight, though.
Yo, Charlie, breathe. Wash off.
Starting at 3? 2, 1. Seconds, 30 seconds.
That's airing me out, no cap.
Come on. Come on.
You tapping out?
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Come on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Give me 1, 2. Man, Lewis is slipping.
He is soft though, it's not too hard.
I can hit you hard if you want.
Cash out for it, cash out.
He says watch. It's not time to cash out yet. Levels.
He's spinning himself around.
He said,
You done, Lewis? 30 seconds, come on, 30 seconds. Ooh.
bro, them small ass fucking gloves. Man, though, I'm about to get my ass beat, bro. Give me a hug, dog. You'll be alright, bro. Thanks.
He'll do good.
Get out
A
there.
minute and a half.
Touch gloves. Fight.
Focus statuses.
Oh, let me get back.
No, I mean, that's a good one.
Ooh.
Left hook.
10 seconds.
Yeah, hold up.
10 seconds, Dan, come on.
My bad, bro. That was the hardest shot we hit somebody with.
You alright?
That's it, that's it.
Time's up.
That was the hardest shot. That's the one.
Bro, he's big as shit. Who gonna grab the glove? Come on, Chris.
No,
You and Jaden. Bro, he's bitching. He's bitching. Come on, bro.
Alright, bro.
I'm already holding too much shit, bro. That's y'all look cool.
Alright.
Y'all ready?
Oh, yeah, how you
Touch gloves. Fight.
No uppercuts.
Oh yeah, no uppercut.
No uppercuts?
Yeah, we don't got fucking mouth guards.
Ooh.
You get like bungee cords. Back in the ring. Back in the ring.
Always from the wild. But I'm fucking slow, dude. I'm fucking slow.
You're slow there.
Hey, you and me, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, back in the room.
Alright. You good? I'm running out of fucking breath, dog. Wanna cut it short?
Hold it down.
Wanna cut it short?
A draw?
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll call it a draw.
Yeah, yeah.
Good shit, man.
Yeah, already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ew. Body shot. Oh, Colin, the body shot would have been deadly.
I didn't want to do it.
You like it, you like.
Minute.
Look at my stomach.
Alright, that's game, that's game.
30. Oh, never mind.
Go ahead, airport.
How like discus players wind up a shot.
Yeah, like
They'll start from all the way back. Yeah, like plant your foot and like spin around as fast as you
well, I
can.
definitely fucking knock your block off like that. Like you get fucking pulverized. I don't know. I mean, we're moving out. I mean, who cares?
Dude, throw it. Like start from where Brandon is and like do the meanest 360 and like.
Dude. Well, if I do a fucking 360, I'm either taking out the glass door or I'm knocking your fucking head out.
You just gotta know when to let go, dude.
Well, no, you see, if I spin with a fucking tire like this, yeah, you see the problem there?
Okay.
Like,
Well, I could just. We can improvise.
no, I'm just gonna...
He's gonna fucking take us out.
They got some distance, man. Well, I don't know why I thought I was going to be able to see the fucking submerged in 6 feet of sticks. You know what I wish? You know how they have like pierogies?
Yeah.
Why can't they make just one fucking humongous pierogi and start selling them fucking things? Like a pierogi. Like a pieroginator.
Like, it's like the size of a fucking calzone.
Yeah. Like, you know how you can get steaks from some restaurants and they'll be bigger than the fucking plate? If I could have a pierogi that's just absolutely like, I'd be a happy man. Dude, like, what's the deal with chicken nuggets? Like,
You want like a chicken
why can't they have
steak?
a giant chugget the size of my plate? Like, I don't know. I think popcorn is fucking whack. I think they should have.
You can't pop a bigger
Yeah.
corn. Like,
No, like, you should just start selling bags with one humongous kernel.
How? You
Like
can't
a,
make
like a
those.
fucking giant kernel. And it like, I don't know, you'd have to be careful though, because it could
Like,
like
dude.
blow up your microwave or some shit. Like some fucking explosive popcorn.
Like, dude, do you know where popcorn comes from?
Corn? Like, why can't they just give me a piece of corn the size of a hot pocket? Dude, it doesn't make any sense. I've had it with big corporations.
Have you ever seen a corn kernel? Like, they can't make it any bigger. Like, they can't. They don't sit there constructing that.
Bro, like,
A small size.
they like
They grow them.
can't they like weld? Can't they like craft a giant popcorn kernel? What hasn't this happened yet?
How are you going to weld together a big piece of corn?
Well, no, you wouldn't weld together a big piece of corn. You'd fucking weld together small pieces of corn into a monstrosity of a corn like kernel. They haven't figured it out, and I think I need to have a talk with somebody.
to make a welder that's compatible.
No,
with corn,
I think
like,
they are like. Who's like a
currently-
really important person who makes really important decisions?
fucking
Whoever that person is, I need to talk to. Aunt Jemima. Oh! What's up? Look at my fucking. Look at what I got going on right now.
Holy shit!
Check me out. I'm just getting better every second.
That cup is about to be extinguished.
Look at that form. Look at that fucking form. Well, don't break it. Fuck off.
So we're gonna take this idea of a corn welder to Aunt Jemima.
Yes.
We're gonna have her like fund
Yeah.
anything for this.
I mean,
Like
well,
what's,
because normally
what's
like
the
people
benefit?
don't.
Like why do you want a bigger piece of corn?
Well, people like don't like to spend money on things that are like super wasteful and
Fucking
super like
useless.
unimportant. Yeah, like useless. Like people don't like to buy useless shit.
Yeah.
And that is the exact reason why I feel like Aunt Jemima would go through and clutch the fuck up 100%. Cause think about it.
I'm thinking.
Who has asked Aunt Jemima to co-sign a corn kernel welding business? Probably nobody. Probably fucking no one.
You're gonna get-
She'd be stoked. She'd be so happy. Aunt Jemima would love it. She would absolutely love it. They gotta get, dude. They gotta get on with that. I don't understand anything that's divided into small pieces. That is the stupidest. Like food wise, puzzles. That's whack. Why don't they just sell me
So
a
good.
giant puzzle piece?
No, like
Let's go to a picture, Dennis.
Cookie. Did these fucking break? Oh no, they didn't. Let's go. I can see, man. Yeah, you got fucking destroyed, Brady.
you see it coming.
No. Oh, that's a plate. You see that maneuver? Claw flip over the couch.